Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another Make Info video. I'm super excited to have you with us today for an informative session. If you enjoy learning about tech, business, and everything in between, you're definitely in the right place. Now, in today's video, we are diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to understand the dynamics of modern business, CRM, or customer relationship management. If you're a beginner, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of what CRM is and why it's essential for your business. A small business with a single person will have communication with the one customer. They will remember every details like customer info, their email, maybe the phone number and the transaction. And if they also have only one vendor, uh, they can remember it and they can store these details easily. In another scenario, what happens if you expand your customers, employees, and your vendors? It is possible to build a relationship with all customers. But when the people increases, when the number of branches also increases, we need software like a professional tool to manage these customer relationships accurately. These softwares are called CRM. There are wide ranges or tons of CRM softwares are available right now. These are the few examples. Let's discuss some basic uses of a CRM softwares. So number one, I would say is contact management. So you can store and organize your clients or customers' contact information. That includes their names, addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses. You can even group customers based on shared characteristics or behaviors, allowing businesses to target specific groups with tailored marketing strategies. So, coming to the next one, you can use these tools for lead management and also for automating your sales. So, about the managing your leads, so you can track and manage those potential sales leads from the initial contact to a sales conversion. So, this really helps the sales team to prioritize and follow up on leads. Coming to the automation side, you can automate like using a CRM tool. You can automate this process, such as like sending follow-up emails, scheduling appointments, and managing the sales pipeline to basically streamline the sales workflow. Manage customer service requests, like tracking their issues, like your clients or your customers issues, and provide adequate information to your support teams when for them to deliver excellent customer service. In addition to that, you can keep track of all the customer interactions through like whether they are using the emails, WhatsApp, like Instagram message, or like a Facebook Messenger. This is mainly to ensure consistent communications and a unified customer experience. Yeah, for starters, like for a small businesses, I would say more on you can use Excel or a Google Sheet to store and manage these data. It's more aligned towards the Google Sheet because it's like a collaborating environments where, and also more on the a protected environment. So you can use to store the vendor details, customer details, like even the employee details, and so on. Yeah, so once you identify your requirements, uh, for example, that includes, well, not limited to which ways do we get the inquiries, like how many accounts have reached us, how many people have come to the closing, like a conversion, what's the feedback from a customer. So in these scenarios, once identified requirements, you can try out like a CRM tool based on those requirements. I would definitely say start at least a free tool, just just to know that okay, this is something useful for your business. I hope this video is helpful. Please comment if you have any questions or need more information. Thank you.